In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Excel to PDF quickly. This method is great when you need to share your spreadsheet in a format that looks consistent on any device. It also helps when you want to stop others from accidentally changing your layout. We will go step by step, and you will see exactly where to click. First, go to the top left corner of your Excel window and find the File menu. Click on File to open the Backstage view where you can access Export and Saving options. If you do not see the menu right away, make sure your Excel workbook is open and active. Once you open File, look for an option related to exporting or saving your document, since we will convert your spreadsheet into a PDF from there. Next, within the File area, choose Export. When you click Export, Excel will display the export tools for creating a PDF or other formats. This is the section specifically designed for turning documents into shareable files. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct screen, because the buttons can vary slightly depending on your Excel version. After you are in Export, click Create PDF/XPS document. This is the command that starts the conversion process. You will usually be able to tell you are on the right option because it directly references PDF and includes controls for generating the file. Once you click Create PDF/XPS document, Excel prepares a save window where you can set the output file in PDF settings. Now click Create PDF. This action confirms that you want to generate a PDF file. At this point, Excel will open a pop-up window, or it will bring up a file dialog with options related to the PDF export. You may see fields for the file name and location. You can choose where you want to save the PDF, but the key part is deciding what part of your workbook will be included. With the pop-up window open, click Options. This is an important step because it lets you choose whether the PDF should include only the active sheet, the entire workbook, or just a specific selection. When you click Options, look for the selection choices clearly shown in the interface. Active Sheet is useful if you only need to convert one tab. Entire workbook is best when you want every sheet turned into the PDF. Selection is ideal when you want only a specific range of cells, such as a report section or a table. After you choose the correct option, confirm that your setting matches what you actually want to export. For example, if you selected Active Sheet, the PDF will reflect only the currently displayed worksheet. If you selected Entire Workbook, all worksheets will be included, which can be helpful but may produce a longer document. If you selected a specific selection, make sure you had highlighted the correct cells in your spreadsheet before exporting, because that range is what Excel will include. Finally, click Publish. This completes the conversion and tells Excel to generate the PDF based on your chosen settings. Excel may take a brief moment depending on your workbook size, especially if the workbook is large or contains many elements like charts, images, or formatting. Once Publish finishes, your PDF should be saved to the location you selected. You can open it to check that the formatting is correct and that the right sheets or cells were included. If something does not look right, you can return to the Options step next time and switch between Active Sheet, Entire Workbook, or Selection to match your needs. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.